Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of Carnival Corporation. Now it is one of those stock or it is this stock is coming from one of those sectors which has really hampered in the last 2.5 years. Now tourism slows down or even closed down, then lots of different things, and now with the new variant we have here, there are issues that's been going on as far as the entire sector is concerned, and Carnival Corporation is one of them. Now looking at the price chart, this is the monthly chart, but there is something very important which is happening right now, and one should definitely take a note of it. Now if we are applying a line chart, here we are. So if you are applying a line chart, you can see a slight amount of breakdown has happened. Okay, so I mean the levels that we are looking here is 18.12, and currently the stock closed at 17.2. So this is not at all a good sign, right? So this is the first thing you need to understand. Now what lies next, right, is the question. So for that we have two most important levels to look at. We have 14.87 and 13.16, where you will find 13.16 as your stop loss, right? 13.16, or here we are. Now this range 12.39 and 13.16 will be your stop loss, so don't go below 12.39. That's the first thing, and only if the stock continues to sustain above these two ranges, then we will look for an upside. But the problem is, the moment you are closing below $18, you are in a bear zone. You are definitely in a bear zone, and problem is, if it won't sustain, if the stock does not sustain above $18, it would be a big problem. So if somebody is a risk averse person, he or she needs to take a note of it, although there is a range, because the stock has this is indeed a there are some very big spikes that you can see at the later end of the, or at the end of any correction, big correction. But the thing is, uh, the stock closed below a certain range, or when you're talking about a monthly chart, is definitely be a problem. So below $18, the stock is in a bear zone, and the next couple of ranges are 14, then 13, and then 12. So this 12.39 and $18 will be your last resort. So don't go below this level, and if you're skeptical, you just wait for the stock to at least sustain above 19.35. It's not about 18, but at least 19.35. If only, the thing is, if only the stock is sustaining above 19.35, then we have couple of ranges to look at. So above 19.35 you have 28.73, then you have 34.84, and going forward you have two more ranges. So what we have here, or I would say three. Okay, so beyond 34 we have 49, we have 55, and we have 59. So all these are long-term targets. The range is still intact, but we are at the lowest end of the range, and as I keep on telling you, below $18 is not at all a good sign. Let it settle above, or at least above $18, and further confirmation will only appear after the stock sustaining above 19.35. If these two level holds and If the stock sustains above these two levels, we have the upper end of the ranges in the longer term time frame. Till then, be skeptical. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.